Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder. And click on it. Now choose Agree and tap on this red button. Sorry, you have to click Allow first. And then you can click on this red button to start your recording. If you want to pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. But if you want to save it and end it, click on the right one. Then enter name of your recording and select Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it, hold it. Then click on this bin icon over here and choose Delete all recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!